Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with two amazing people. You guys may recognize Candy. She's baked with me before and new. This is the first time that we're baking together. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
New to this channel, you guys, please welcome Jared. He is so amazing. He is the founder, creator of Too Faced, my favorite makeup. Oh my gosh, you guys. And he was the perfect guest to invite today because I'm making gingerbread cookies today from my new cookbook, and look what Jared has. What? This is a gingerbread palette. And not only is it adorable and have these cute little gingerbread names, but it smells like gingerbread.
What? It smells like gingerbread. You know,
I just put my nose on there. I think I just highlighted the tip of my nose.
You know what? That looks good.
It does look really good though, whatever color you
I
just
really
picked.
was excited about that smell.
This one's gingerbread, and then this one's gingerbread latte, spiced rum.
Look at warm and toasty.
I like this one, spiked eggnog. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on right now.
Well,
Jared, what do you
your
think?
makeup looks amazing.
I love that you're
I'm
not
just
even
adding.
looking, Ro, and you're just
I
doing your
know,
makeup.
there's a mirror. She just goes for it. It's just a really fun collection of neutrals, but with a really beautiful, fun Christmas twist.
I'm so excited that you told me about this. We got to talking and you told me we make a gingerbread palette.
Yeah.
And I said, what? I make gingerbread cookies. You're coming over. And I was like, we're hanging out and we're baking. So today, we are gonna be making a delicious homemade gingerbread cookie recipe.
What?
Now this is, you guys,
I'm so excited.
this is my favorite recipe from the new book. So I
Right,
really
why
hope
is
you
it
guys
your favorite?
enjoy it.
Your gingerbread cookies are special because they're not like hard crack your tooth gingerbread.
No. So that's the one
They're
thing I didn't
magical.
like about gingerbread cookies. I loved all the spices, but they were always too firm. So I worked really hard to develop a recipe that was a little bit softer.
Christmas to me is gingerbread. That smell. Gingerbread's my favorite cookie. I mean, I think
why
about
you
it all
made
year
this?
long. Yes.
Jared.
Oh,
When
Jared.
I was a little kid growing up, it just gingerbread meant the gingerbread smell. Just it
It's
brought
comforting.
in Christmas,
Yeah.
and Christmas
Yeah.
was the happiest time of the year.
Yeah.
And Santa Claus is gonna come bring you what you want. I mean, what else is there?
How cute is the
I
gingerbread man?
know, and they're dressed up in cute little outfits.
I would call this recipe an easy mode recipe.
Ooh,
This
we
is a
like
good
easy
recipe
mode.
for
We need
like
easy mode.
easy mode.
Candy and I, not the best bakers.
I mean,
I'll
Jared,
help you. I'll teach you.
I
I'll
was
teach
named
you.
a level 8 baker.
Wait,
Yeah, she did get
Yeah, Rode said I was a level 8 baker.
out of 10.
So,
wait, are you a baker? You never told me. We're like really good friends, and I don't know you're a baker.
I know, now
the
there's competition.
drama. It's starting already.
in this corner.
Hey, it's nice to meet you. My name's Jared. Nice to meet
I'm
you.
Candy, I'm a
She's
level 10 baker.
Ooh, ooh.
Okay, well, I'm a level 0, so you're both gonna really not.
At least you're not a negative.
We're gonna raise that to a level at least 5.
Let's get started.
First step to making these cookies, very easy. You want to mix together your dry ingredients. So in this big bowl, Candy, I'm going to have you mix all of the dry ingredients, and for you guys at home, all of the ingredients and the measurements will be in the description below. So go check it out down there. And then I cream together butter sugar, which Jared, you're going to be doing over here.
Cream together?
Yes.
Does that take
You're
skill?
the butter and sugar boy.
You got this.
You know what? That's what they called me in high school. So
Take all of the butter, put it in the big bowl, and the brown sugar. You can use this little spoon. So
And
Candy,
then
pour
I'm
'em in
doing all
there.
the powders.
it
You
smells
go
so good.
quarter.
Baking soda.
Oh, it smells so good.
Cinnamon, ginger,
Ooh, ginger.
Oh, is that what makes
Some
it
salt.
gingerbread? That little bit of ginger?
cloves, and last but not least,
Nutmeg?
Nutmeg, my favorite.
Oh, I love nutmeg.
Look at all those colors.
Whisk it together and let's take a smell. It's
Okay.
gonna start to smell
Oh,
like
it's like
Christmas.
potpourri.
Yeah.
Oh,
Do you
my
smell
God.
it?
That's
Smell
good.
that.
Can I
This
put
is
my face in
potpourri
there?
powder.
I want this
What
to
would
be
happen
smell
if
it.
I just face my...
Baking with real baking ingredients.
Can we make a baking powder that just smells like this?
Yes.
No,
How is
wait.
that possible?
You and I should get together and make
Yes.
a baking powder.
That's gonna be Rose baking powder.
This is what happens when creative people hang out with each
No,
other.
I'm
Come
not
up with
kidding.
so many ideas.
We made a banana powder together.
I know, you can make baking powder together.
And Ro, honestly, you too, like from your books to your
Oh my gosh,
product
Rose is
line.
like the queen of
It's just
baking.
true. I'm so honored to be here, and I love you girls.
I'm honored that you're here.
I mean it. I don't know what creaming means.
Okay, so you're gonna pour all of the sugar, the brown sugar, in with the butter.
Oh my God, it smells so good.
And you're gonna make
And it's
like a
basically
just
mixing
paste
together.
mixture.
But
Okay,
you
just
got-
plop it all in at once.
Yeah. There you go.
Isn't that fun? Look at the shape in there. I don't know why I think
brown
that's so
sugars.
satisfying.
I love on cooking shows when they stack their little bowls. It looks so much fun. Okay, so what do I do?
Okay, now you're gonna use the electric mixer.
I am right now?
I'm trusting you. You
Oh,
can do this.
I don't
Okay.
use this?
No, you don't need this.
Oh.
Right here, grab this guy.
Oh, I love the color.
We're using a hand mixer, and I'm gonna trust you. Jared, start on a low speed, then move to a medium. So just one click up.
Oh,
Okay.
look at
He's got
you're
it.
like
He's
a
got
pro,
it. He's
like
got it.
a pro.
Oh, the power.
The best.
Oh, I like it. It's kind of vibrating. It feels
Yeah,
good.
we're gonna mix it together for about 3
We're
minutes.
gonna
3
tell us
minutes.
couple
Do I
stories.
push it faster?
Yeah, go faster.
The loose
Oh my
brown
gosh.
sugar.
I'm wearing Gucci, bro. We got it.
No, save the Gucci.
Where's your apron? I'll stand in front of you with my sweater. How'd you ruin your Gucci jacket? Oh, it's butter. Butter
Listen,
freeze.
I'd rather look good and ruin my jacket.
Look
Yes,
at that.
yes.
Isn't that smell so good? I'll
Yeah.
catch one.
Okay. All right.
Oh my gosh, I could
Oh.
just eat that. We're
Oh,
done.
No. Oh, I'm gonna need a
Oh,
minute.
yummy. Oh, yummy. We're gonna mix some more things.
Yes, this is my favorite thing.
The
The
molasses.
molasses.
All right, Jared, I'm gonna have you pour this.
Okay.
Oh, look at
Okay,
it.
you got it. Right in here, all of it.
It's so beautiful.
It's
Okay.
gonna move really slow. For those of you who've never baked with molasses before.
Oh, look at that pour like hot fudge sundae.
You know what I imagine? If you like squoze a
Oh,
Christmas
yeah.
tree, this is what would come out of the trunk. You know?
Yeah,
like
the
normal-
molasses right out
normal
of the bark.
trees have like pancake syrup. Christmas
This
trees
is-
have molasses.
And add 1 egg.
Okay. Oh, what's the egg do?
It helps. It's protein strands. So when you whip an egg or mix an egg,
Okay.
those protein strands help hold everything together. They're really amazing. Like
She's smart and pretty.
You were like
Okay.
Bill Nye the Science Guy of baking.
do a low speed. I don't want to
Yeah,
mess
'cause
up
you
your
got-
jacket. Okay.
Yeah, I should get another
Low
cookbook
speed.
for you.
Yeah, here we go. Here
There
we
you
go.
go.
Yeah, yeah, shield.
Oh,
Get
yeah,
that
you gotta
yolk.
break up the yolk.
Chase him, chase
Oh.
him.
Get the yolk. Oh,
See?
The
Oh,
yolk
oh,
is
oh,
running
do
from
it.
me.
Oh,
I
he was
got
a
him.
sturdy yolk.
I got him.
Very
Can't hide from
resilient.
me.
Oh, smell it. Do you smell the smell,
Oh, it
guys?
smells
smells
so
so
good.
good. Oh my goodness.
It looks like sand from a
It
beach.
smells
It
so
does look
good.
a little weird.
Like wet sand.
Nice.
Do you know what this is?
Licking time. Cheers.
Cheers!
Whisk,
Merry
cheers.
Christmas!
Merry
I
Christmas.
Oh my god. That's so good. Oh.
I like it.
We're just gonna do half of our
But
powder.
just eyeball it. Add half of your dry ingredients
that's
to
like
your
half.
wet mixture.
You did that really well.
Thanks.
You didn't spill any
Good
at
job,
all.
Penny.
Level 8 baker.
All right,
I'm
look.
just kidding.
She's bragging. I'm gonna make her mix
Okay,
it
Ro,
up.
if you had to give me a level right now in this process, where would I be
Okay,
right
you're
now?
doing really
You're
good.
doing really good.
So I'm gonna give you 5 already.
Yeah, you're
Oh,
doing great.
I'm catching up, girl.
Yeah,
I'm catching
yeah.
up. You want
Into
my
the ceiling.
expertise now?
Yeah, bring in
Yeah.
your level 5 whisking
Bring
skills.
it
Are you
in.
ready?
Bring it
Level
in.
5. Okay, so I stick it to the
But
bottom.
low,
Yeah.
low speed. You could actually do this by hand, but it would take a really, 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 really long time.
You mean like our grandmas did with a spoon?
You could
Yeah.
sit there with a spoon and just do it by hand.
You know what? Respect. Grandmas.
I made whipped cream by hand last night. I haven't been that out of breath in a long time.
I didn't know you can make whipped cream by
I
hand.
did it with just the whisk because I didn't want to wash all the parts of my kitchen.
I didn't know you could do that.
It takes forever, and I had to take breaks. I was like,
Jared, it's like this. It's like.
like so fast, so fast.
You have one really
I
muscular
think I
arm.
got like an elbow problem.
You have one really muscular arm and then one like sad little wimpy arm.
Candy has got
What about
the sweater.
whisking with
Okay,
the sweater on?
Candy wins the sweater award.
Candy wins the sweater
Look
award.
at
I
this.
went just to Target last night to impress you, Ro.
She's got ornaments.
Look at her
She's got
stockings.
tinsel. She's got
And
stockings.
you and gingerbread people. I want to eat this right now.
I know. You just
Smells
want to
so good.
squish it
This
and
is
put it in your
starting
mouth.
to smell just. I mean, this is a gingerbread cookie smell.
And this is easy,
it.
kind of like.
Yeah.
I could do this at home. I think.
You're
I'm
gonna
a great
become
creamer.
Jared,
Yeah.
the Baker Blandino.
Woo!
That's my dream. I want to be on a baking show, JBB.
It's gonna be your new show.
I feel like it's happening. This makeup thing. Listen, I'm
I'm
moving on. I'm moving on.
I'm a baker now.
Jared the Baker Blandina. Forget about lip gloss and glitter eyeshadow.
Christmas, I'm getting you a sweatshirt that says
Done.
Jared the Baker.
We need to
Done.
do this. Boom.
Perfect.
So you just pack it together with your hands.
Like making a snowball of dough.
Yeah, use those hands.
We're making like
Squeeze it
3 of
together.
them.
That's good.
So just wrap them up nice and tight.
Oh, I love this little trick. You lined a baking tray, so it was flat, easy to handle.
I don't know if this worked with the 2.
No, you
but
did good.
We made a
I love
Candy,
it.
I love
a
that.
snowman. It's a snowman of wrapping.
It's a
Hello.
snowman of wrapping.
So we're gonna pop these in the refrigerator for about 3 hours to chill.
So I'm gonna roll.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do like, and just be really gentle.
I'm going to be very gentle.
Roll it out to be a 1/4 inch thick. If you make them a little thicker, that's okay too, because they're delicious.
Yes, they
And they're
are.
Kind of yummy when they're a little thick.
I
Yeah.
love this cookie cutter.
Yes, Jared, are you ready to cut out the first gingerbread cookie?
I'm ready.
Okay, you got
Okay.
this. Press
push
down,
down.
and then give it a little jiggle.
Little jiggle.
Here, you do this, and just
setting
grab
them
a hold
free.
of them.
Lift them up.
Plop them right here onto a baking sheet lined with a piece of parchment paper.
I feel like it's my baby, my gingerbread baby.
boy.
You did it!
I just gave birth to a gingerbread
energy.
baby. Oh my God, I can eat this.
I'm so proud
Oh,
of you.
right here. You want to do
Yeah,
it?
I
Yeah.
want to do one. We'll
Do
pass
it.
it down. Okay.
Oh, so good.
So you just break it apart, pick them up. There he goes. Now he has a friend.
They cut so nicely.
This is great. It's a great
Yeah.
recipe. Here you go, Candy.
All
Your
right,
turn.
Candy.
Your turn.
Go, Candy. Go, Candy.
This
Oh.
is so
your
satisfying.
wiggle.
You guys don't
Do the
even
wiggle,
know.
Do the wiggle. I feel like it's a new dance move.
It is. Do
Do
the
the
gingerbread
wiggle.
wiggle.
Do the
Gingerbread
wiggle.
wiggle.
Oh.
So you're just gonna cut out your cookies, place them on the baking sheet. This one fits about 6, and then you can re-roll your extra scraps and make more. This recipe makes 2 dozen. Perfect.
That's a lot. You know
That's why we
those
have those
cookie
different-
swap parties?
Yes.
Yeah.
What a great gift to bring because you'll be able to display your artistic talent. Maybe your kids can help.
Yeah.
But it also makes like a lot of cookies. And look how cute they are. You can even like put eyelashes on some of them and maybe some lipstick.
Yes.
Two-faced gingerbread cookies.
These cookies are now ready to bake. We're gonna pop them in the freezer for about 10 minutes so that they'll hold their shape in the oven, and then we're gonna bake 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. Then it is time to decorate, my favorite part. Once the cookies come out of the oven, now you usually give them plenty of time to cool and then we decorate, but while they're still warm, you're gonna place in your red hots. This is gonna help them just stick right into the cookie. Otherwise, if you wait till they cool off, you gotta attach them with a little bit of icing. You guys can decorate these gingerbread cookies however you'd like. This design that's in the book is how my mom and grandma used to decorate them.
they're adorable.
That's why they're special to me, but you can make them however you'd like.
Look how
see.
cute.
Oh my gosh, you did great.
Cute. This is fun, you guys. I feel like I'm really good at
Okay, Ro, you're like
Gingerbread
a high-speed icer.
Jared, is this the first cookie you ice like
Yes,
this?
I've never used something like this before.
Jared, you just got another baking point. This
What?
is so good for your first
Jared,
time.
do not come for my number
Are
8.
you
Do
kidding
not come for
So,
number
Ro,
8.
do you think I'm approaching Candy's 8?
I do. I'm gonna
Oh,
give you 2 extra
no.
points. You're at a 7 now.
I'm at a 7!
This is really good for
It
your
is?
first time icing.
Is this seriously?
Yes.
Ta-da!
These are gingerbread cookies that we made today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is one of my favorite holiday recipes from my new cookbook. They are so good. You guys, I'm so proud of you. Look at Jared. This
They're
first
so
one. Oh, you can add them. Okay, me too. Let me grab one.
I'm gonna eat it too.
I want one of yours. I want one of yours.
I can't even tell you how
All the
dreamy
flavor.
this is. The most delightful texture.
I'm done. I throw it out.
A big thank you to you guys for suggesting another baking video, and a big thank you to Candy and Jared. Thank you so much for coming
for
over and
having
baking
us.
with me. These are like my favorite memories. The holidays are so special, and my favorite memories are baking gingerbread cookies with friends. This is amazing.
And these are the best gingerbread
You
cookies
guys
I've ever had in my life.
are
The
the
best.
best. Okay, beauty gurus. I'm gonna be putting Candy's links and Jared's links down below. Jared's links and Too Faced links. I'll do both.
Sure, yeah.
I'll
All
do
of
both.
them.
I'll do them all. So go check them out, subscribe, like, show them some love. They are amazing people, and I love them so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.
Merry
Merry
Christmas!
Christmas.
There are like cookies in my teeth.